Let's take a look at what it's like to design a website using the Webydo website builder. So you've come into the dashboard, you've logged in. Now you've got three choices, which is quite unique for a website builder, from having inspiration where you're actually using pre-built designs, whether you want to just use wireframes or to start building it from scratch. For me, I'm just going to start using their designs. I'll give you a quick preview so you can see what templates are available. You'll see that there's quite a few options there. Let's have a look. We might just select this one to get started. So that's shown us what the templates we can choose from to get started are. Now the next thing we want to look at is the pages functionality. So if I click on pages, you'll see here we've got home, about, work. These are all just the demo pages that have been brought in. To create a new page, we click on new page. And it is as simple as that. We can click on that, or we can go back to that home page. So if you want to actually edit anything on that page, you can just pull in elements from this side. But for this example, we're actually going to go back to that home page, and I'll show you some of the elements that you can add onto your page. So we have things like shapes, images, videos. We also have galleries. We have buttons, blog, posts, we have a store, just straight up HTML, social, plugins, and widgets all down the left hand side here. So if I click on, say, buttons, I want to pull across this ghost button. I'm going to put that in the most random spot I can find, which is going to be right here. And you'll see that this is where I can come over the right hand side and say contact. And so I've just changed that to a contact button. So pretty easy just to drag across those elements onto the page. Now in terms of the blog, you just click on blog up the top here and start blogging. That's going to add that element into your website. You'll see here you can manage your posts. So if I was going to do a new post, I click on a new post up the top. And here it is saying that I need to approve my new post. If I want to edit the title, I'm going to just welcome. Add in some text there. And we'll just republish that. Now, if I wanted to update an image there, I'd just be able to click on that and update that image as well. So the final thing that you could look to do after you have set up your blog, you've checked out the templates, pages and templates. If you go back to your dashboard is where you're going to find your basic settings, which are just here. That's where you can do things like connect up your domain and email, redirections, additional services that you've got there. So that's a quick look at Webydo. Hopefully it gives you an idea of how you can actually get around the site, how you can edit some of those elements. There are a whole lot more advanced features in using Webydo, like editing individual items. I probably haven't done justice at all to the actual functionality, but hopefully it gives you a little snapshot of what it's like to move around within the software.